In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download US bank statements efficiently and quickly. Accessing your bank statements can be crucial for managing your finances, tax preparation, or just keeping track of your expenses over time. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can do this with ease, whether you prefer using a mobile app or a computer. To get started, you'll first need to open the US Bank mobile app on your smartphone or visit usbank.com on your computer. Once you've got that open, go ahead and log into your account using your username and password. Now you're at your main account dashboard. From here, you'll want to select the specific account you wish to view. This could be your checking account, savings account, or even a credit card account, depending on where you need statements from. Once you've clicked or tapped on the appropriate account, look for the option that says Statements and Documents. This is usually located in an easy-to-find menu after you've opened your account page. If you're navigating this on your mobile app, these options might be tucked neatly within other functions, so take a moment to locate and tap or click on this. After selecting Statements and Documents, you'll be given an option to choose what specific records you need. You could go for statements, which is what most people will need, or tax documents if that suits your purpose better. Let's focus on statements for now. Now, you should have a list or a menu where you can select the month or date range of the statement you want to download. This feature is particularly useful when you need statements from a specific time period, maybe for budgeting, record keeping, or audits. Once you've selected the desired range, the next step is straightforward. You can tap or click to either download PDF or view PDF. Both options should give you the ability to open or save the file. If you're viewing it and realize it's what you need, you can save it to your device, or if you're just ready to download it directly, choose that option and save it to your computer or smartphone. With the file now downloaded, you should receive a prompt asking where you'd like to save it. Pick a location that's easy for you to remember. Usually the downloads folder is a safe bet. If needed, you can also print it out directly from this screen, which might be handy if you prefer having a physical copy or need it for certain transactions or verifications. And there you have it. Your bank statement is now saved and you can access it anytime you need from your designated folder. This method not only makes handling your finances easier, but also ensures you're always prepared with the necessary documents at hand. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on downloading your bank statements from US Bank.